Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie once again. Today I'm going to show you all how I made this box braid, and the hair extension that I'm using today is from Superstar Braid color 1. So I used about 2 packs. At the very beginning, I didn't intend making a video or shooting a video concerning this hair at all. It was when I got to this point that I discovered that, oh, it's actually neat. I could actually upload a video so that I can show you guys how I was able to achieve this. So I'm going to pick up a little comb with a pointed end, with a very sharp end, and I'm going to part the hair. This is going to be a big box braid tutorial, so I'm just going to part the hair with that comb. And this is the hair gel that we are going to use today, and it's from Play and Stay. So I'm going to pick up that comb again, then part the hair once again. I'm just going to make a box right there. When it comes to box braiding, the lines that you're making need to be very neat. It actually makes the work come out really beautiful and nice. So take your time to make a very clean line. So I'm going to apply that hair gel again, just so that the hair can be sleek and so that it can be laid properly. So guys, for that same box that I had already made, I'm going to divide the hair right there into 3 strands so that it can be easier for me to braid. So I'll pick up the hair extension and divide into 2 like this, but let one side of the hair extension be bigger than the other side, and this is how I'm going to place them together. Remember that you're going to make very big box braids, so you need to have like a good amount of hair extension in your hand. So this is what yours should look like when you place them together. So I'm just going to pass one of my fingers in between the hair extension like that, and once you do that, you discover that you have 3 strands of the hair extension in your fingers. So I'm going to attach the 3 strands of the hair extension to the 3 strands of hair that we divided from the box we made on her head. And then after doing that, I'm just going to start braiding. I have 3 strands of hair right now that I am holding. I just attached the strands of hair from the hair extension to that of the hair on her head, and this is how I'm going to switch in between each strand. So what I am doing basically is to move one strand from the side to the middle, and then another strand from the side to the middle, and then the other strand again from the side to the middle, since we have 3 strands. So that's just what I'll be doing throughout in this tutorial. So once you get to the end of the hair extension, remember that you have 3 strands. All you have to do is to take one strand and add to another, so you'll be left with 2 strands. Twist the remaining 2 strands until you get to the end. This makes the braid that you've made stay intact. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the next braid. I'm going to divide that into a box and then add the hair gel, just so that everything stays sleek and clean. Add the hair gel, and then I'm going to divide that box that I just made into 3 like this. At this point, I'll pick up the hair extension, divide it like this, and then place them across each other like this. So this is what you're going to have. So I'm just going to place my finger in between one of those strands like that. So I'll be left with 3 strands, and I'll attach the 3 strands of hair extension to the 3 strands of hair that I have on her head, and then start braiding. Sometimes, because you didn't give the hair extension a good cut, some braids might be longer than some other braids. So all you have to do is to pick a strand of hair extension like this, and then place it on the braid that you're making like this, and then keep braiding. For the rest of this video, guys, I'll be repeating the same thing, so I'm just going to let you all enjoy the video. Sometimes while braiding, one of the strands might be smaller in size than the other strands. All you have to do is to take one strand that is bigger in size and add it to the smaller strand just to make the 3 strands equal. She's almost about ready to rock her hair, because at this point we're about 99.9% done with her hair. So I'm going to pick up a pair of scissors and then trim the excess hair that we have on all the braids. So I'll be doing this one by one so that I have cleaner braids. And then after doing that, I'll put all the braids that I've made, I'll put the tip, just the tip of all the braids that I've made inside hot water, just so that the hair can be light and not heavy at all on her head. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, share and comment in the comment section. See you guys.